Hello kids, welcome to Happy Little Learners Kannada. Today we are learning 20 simple Kannada words. So let's learn Kannada. Mother. Mother in Kannada means Amma. Amma. Repeat with me. Amma.
Amma,
Again Amma.
Amma,
Very good. Next, father. Father in Kannada means Appa.
Appa,
Very good. Repeat again. Appa.
Appa,
Appa.
Appa,
Very good. Next, cow. Cow in Kannada means Hasu. Hasu. Come on, tell with me. Hasu.
Hasu,
Hasu.
Hasu,
Very nice. House. House means mane. Mane in Kannada it's called mane. House means mane. Can you repeat with me? Mane.
Mane,
Next, water. Water in Kannada means neeru. Neeru. Come on, tell me. Neeru.
Neeru,
Very good. Again, neeru.
Neeru,
Very nice. Next we'll go to fruit. Fruit means hannu. Fruit means hannu. Hannu. Repeat with me. Hannu.
Hannu,
Hannu. Again.
Hannu,
Very nice. Fish. Fish means meenu. In Kannada, fish called meenu. Tell it. Meenu.
Meenu,
Again, meenu.
Meenu,
Very nice. Very good. Flower. Flower means hoovu. Flower means hoovu. Can you tell with me? Hoovu. Again, hoovu.
Hoovu,
Hoovu.
Hoovu,
Correct. Tree. Tree in Kannada is mara. Mara. Come on, tell it me. Mara.
Mara,
Again, mara.
Mara,
Very good. Elephant. In Kannada, we call elephant as aane. Aane. Can you tell with me? Aane.
Ane,
Again, aane.
Ane,
Forest. Forest, it means in Kannada, we call the forest as kaadu. Again, kaadu. Tell with me. Kaadu.
Kaadu,
Kaadu.
Kaadu,
Bird.
Bird,
Bird means bird in Kannada is pakshi.
Pakshi,
Pakshi.
Pakshi,
Very good. Pakshi.
Pakshi,
I. I in Kannada called kannu.
Kannu,
Kannu.
Kannu,
Repeat again. Kannu.
Kannu,
Very good. Next we will go hand. Hand in Kannada called kai. In Kannada it's called kai. Repeat with me. Kai.
Kai,
Kai.
Kai,
Very good. Next, silver. Silver in Kannada called belly.
Belly,
It's not belly, it's belly.
Belly,
Very good. Belly.
Belly,
Very good. Next, fire. Fire in Kannada called benki.
Benki,
Benki.
Benki,
Very good. Keep going. Benki.
Benki,
And milk. Milk in Kannada called halu.
Halu,
Halu.
Halu,
Very nice. Once more. Halu.
Halu,
Okay. Next, horse. Horse in Kannada called kudure.
Kudure,
Kudure.
Kudure,
Pronunciation kudure.
Kudure,
Nice. Next we will go sun. Sun in Kannada called Surya.
Surya,
Yes, Surya.
Surya,
Sun is Surya.
is Surya.
Moon in Kannada called Chandra.
Chandra.
Moon in Kannada called Chandra. Once more, Chandra.
Chandra.
We learned almost 20 words. Do revision again. Learn all 20 words. Simple pronunciation. We will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe, like, share. Thank you for watching.